Have you noticed quizzes popping up inside YouTube videos? In this video, I'll show you a brand new YouTube feature that lets you add a simple quiz right in the middle of your video and interact with your viewers like never before. On the screen right now, you can see how this quiz looks while the video is playing.
This quiz feature is created during the upload process of a YouTube long-form video.
I've already uploaded this video and set everything else, so now I'll show you exactly how to add the quiz. During or after uploading your video, go to the section called Video Elements. Alongside the existing options like Add Subtitles, Add End Screens, and Add Cards, you'll now see a new feature at the bottom called Add a Quiz. This new feature allows you to ask viewers a question directly inside the video and let them actively participate while watching. To start, click the Add button next to Add a Quiz. In the quiz setup screen, first enter your quiz question or a short description. In my case, I entered the question, "What happens when you restrict someone on Instagram?" Below that, you'll add the possible answers. By default, YouTube provides 2 answer fields, but you can add more by clicking the Add an Answer button. For my quiz, I added the first answer. Their comments are hidden unless you approve. Then I added the second answer. They get blocked immediately. On the left side of the answers, you can select which one is the correct answer by checking the box next to it. At the top of the screen, you can choose when the quiz appears in your video. You can either set the time manually or drag the quiz element directly on the video timeline. I placed my quiz at around the 30-second mark. Once everything is set, publish the video and wait for YouTube to complete its processing and checks. After that, the quiz will become available to viewers. Now I'm opening the same video from a different browser and account. Below the video, you'll see a new section called Quizzes, where the created quiz is listed. To participate, viewers need to click on Take Quiz, and the quiz will appear in the top right corner of the video player. By clicking on one of the answers, they can take part in the quiz instantly. I'm also showing this on a phone. On mobile, viewers can access the quiz by tapping More in the video description, where the quiz will be displayed and available to answer. This new YouTube quiz feature is a great way to boost engagement, keep viewers watching longer, and make your videos more interactive. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe for more YouTube creator tips and new feature guides.